It's this easy to install the Seedler IQ Door. Take the installation frame, secure it above the device connection box using the screws provided. Ensure that the power supply is connected, either via PoE or supply wires, depending on the model. For the PoE version, connect the supplied IQ Door patch cable to the data line. For the Wi-Fi version, connect the supply wires directly to the external unit. Next, simply snap the IQ Door unit onto the installation. Finally, use the Allen key to tighten the housing. The IQ Door is now ready for commissioning with the Seedler IQ Config app.